Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook message time change. So first of all, go for your the settings, then scroll down, go for system, click on date and time, and you have to turn uh, these two slider on and this one also. You need to all these three slider on, then go back, uh, or you have to set this time from here, then go back, go to your in this network and internet. You have to turn on airplane mode and again turn off it, go back and go for your Play Store. You have to first okay and go for your Play Store and search for your Facebook, and you have to update your Facebook if it's not updated. So yeah, this is the process. After that you can fix your Facebook message time change. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.